What's the meaning of condemn? Condemn. Condemn.
Condemn. Condemn. The verb condemn refers to expressing strong disapproval or criticizing something or someone severely. The result of condemning can range from societal ostracism, legal punishment, or personal disgrace. When someone is condemned, they are typically seen as guilty or morally reprehensible and may suffer negative consequences such as being shunned by the community, losing their reputation or status, facing imprisonment, or even death. Therefore, condemnation can have far-reaching effects on an individual's life and is considered a serious matter.